Hi, this is Allison Stottlemyre with Coldwell Banker Realty in Sarasota, Florida, where I sell residential real estate all over Sarasota and Manatee counties. I just attended a presentation about Lakewood Ranch, and I'm very excited to share some real estate updates about this area. Now, Lakewood Ranch is a community, pretty much actually a town, that's located in East Manatee and Sarasota counties. It kind of straddles the county line. As a Sarasota native, I have seen it grow from a true ranch into a thriving area that offers a variety of housing types, excellent schools, parks and trails, and a plethora of amenities that suit your daily life. It is seeing an increase in people who had previously had their eye on Fort Myers and Naples, and SRQ Airport is always expanding flights, so Sarasota is even easier to get to. So as I mentioned, I attended this presentation. It was with builders as well as the planners of Lakewood Ranch, and they went over what's to come to accommodate this demand for homes. So for those of you with shorter timelines, there are actually still opportunities for new construction, possibly even inventory homes in several neighborhoods. There are townhouses in Harmony, villas and single-family homes in Windward by Neil, single-family homes in Savannah, Indigo, and the Lake Club. And then there are also opportunities in the 55-plus community with insanely gorgeous amenities, Del Webb. Now, with regard to brand new communities, here's what's happening. So John Cannon, one of this area's top custom builders, will be building in 3 communities: Star Farms, Monarch Acres, which will be 8 estates with 1+ acre lots, and Kingfisher Estates at Waterside. There will be new condos being built, and these will be great for people who prefer downtown living. It will be located just off of Main Street in Lakewood Ranch, so it will be pedestrian friendly and will also have gorgeous lake views. There will be 32 units there, ranging from $900,000 to $2 million. Now, this would be a great option for those coming from big cities who love being able to walk to restaurants, bars, and other amenities. Avalon Woods will offer both single-family homes and townhouses, and this will be Ryan Homes' first foray into the Lakewood Ranch community. Aurora by Lennar and Palm Grove by Neil Communities round out the new additions outside of Waterside. Within the Waterside area, there is a lot going on. This area is centered around Waterside Place, which is a mix of commercial and residential. And with regard to commercial, there are restaurants, bars, beauty and wellness like yoga, Pilates, and day spas, as well as a weekly farmer's market. And this is all poised right next to Kingfisher Lake, which will be offering a water taxi to and from neighboring communities. So that's pretty fun. Now, the neighborhoods that are coming to that kind of corridor are Alcove by Neil Signature, which will be luxury single-family homes, and they're going to start selling in January of 2023. Also coming is Avanti by Pulte, which will be single-family homes, villas, and townhouses, opening in April of 23. Nautique by MI will be townhouses and single-family homes, opening in June. And then Emerald Landing by David Weekley will be opening in the summer. And finally, Wild Blue by Stock Homes will be opening in 2023. This new development is allowing for more price diversity with something for every budget and stage of life. So starting from $400,000 all the way up to $1 million plus. Some neighborhoods will have plus. Those are the Isles, Shoreview, Lake Club, the Alcove, and Wild Blue, that upper tier. For those of you who are wanting to move to the area and rent before buying, there are more rental communities being built to offer that option. The Row, Ohana, and Vita will all be apartments. Brea will be rentals close to Main Street and Lakewood Ranch Medical Center, which would be great if you're in the medical community. The Ties and Antigua and Bungalow Walk, which will all be single-family homes. For those of you with school-age children or planning for them down the road, there are 4 new schools in the planning stages. in addition to the numerous highly ranked public, charter, and private schools that already exist in that area. So I can give you more information about those if you're interested. So just message me. That was a lot of information. That was a very quick rundown of the exciting things that are coming to the Lakewood Ranch area. There are more restaurants, shops, amenities coming both to and around the ranch. So if you're interested, I can create another video with those. Maybe I'll even do a top 10. So comment below. And if you like what you saw, please click the like button and then comment below with any additional communities or real estate tips that you'd like to see. So that's it for now. Again, I'm Allison Stottlemyre with Coldwell Banker Realty. My number is 941-504-7260, and I'd be happy to help you with your relocation, either to the Sarasota area or even within. We do have a lot of relocation within our area, so let me know how I can help you. Have a great day.